Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1767 of What You Up To Now, documenting the journey primarily as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Spent lots of decades in both corporate America and running and owning and operating different businesses on the side until my divorce in 2017 is when I jumped into the online world. Got divorced a little bit sooner than that, but we're still divesting ourselves of mutual assets and things, our family home, stuff like that. You know, it takes time sometimes for some of us. So, been online since 2017, done a lot of crazy things, a lot of things that worked, a lot of things that didn't work. It's amazing. Most people talk about all the success and all the great things that they do, but they forget to tell you about the journey on the way. And each and every one of us, and anyone you talk to that's really attained a level of success that you would want to emulate, has had ups and downs in their journey. And it's about the journey. You want to know what their journey was like, not the end destination where they've arrived to, because it's up to each and every one of us to determine what does that look like for us? What is it that we're trying to create? What kind of life do we want? What kind of relationships? What kind of business, if you have a business? And I am one of those people that believes everybody, no matter who you are, what you do, if you have a job, you should have some kind of a side business or side hustle, because it gives you so much confidence and so much power and so much flexibility in terms of being able to be yourself and show up how you want to show up in the world, because you've got that safety net of something to fall back on if things that are outside of your control happen and you find yourself in situations like COVID pandemic. You find yourself in situations where you're laid off from your job. You know, thousands and thousands of people, as the economy struggles, end up losing their job. And especially around Thanksgiving and the holidays and Christmas, it seems like the end of the year, companies that are struggling and have been struggling all year, instead of doing what they needed to do to take care of all the people that are a part of their organization, they do the quick and easy thing, and they cut and they lay off people, because people are, although they're your greatest resource, they're also the most expensive. They're also the most valuable, and that's why they are the most expensive. So we could talk about that. I could talk about that for probably a week, and what to do instead of cutting your people, right? And losing people that have the biggest...
Jerry.
Yeah.